Pull it out. No, pull the thing out. Pull out. There you go.
Now pull this back.
Pull it back and dump it out because it's jammed. There you go. Put her back in.
This is like the same one, isn't it?
Yeah, there might be something wrong with that bullet. Don't use it, hon. Maybe there's something wrong with it. Might have dropped on the floor and bent or something.
Okay.
Those are real easy to do. Good job. Nice shot. That's it. All right, I'm going to take a walk out there.
Okay, now it's all